Bonnie is at the orchard picking apples with her grandpa. She has picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and what number comes after 9? It is 10. Can you see that 10 is not a new number? It is made from numbers 1 and 0. We spell 10 as T-E-N, 10. Look at the numbers that come before 10. They all stand alone. Numbers from 1 to 9 stand in a place called ones. These numbers are called one-digit numbers. In 10, 0 stands in the ones place, and 1 stands in a new place called tens. It is called a two-digit number.